Girl, they must have sent me the wrong box. What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am TonyaNicole, and I'm so happy you pressed that button to watch your girl today. Today, guys, we have BoxyCharm Premium. Girl, the BoxyCharm base box was not as bad as I thought. It was actually pretty decent. I'll leave that somewhere for you guys to click and watch if you haven't seen it. So I don't even know how to feel about the premium box, guys. So if you guys want to see what's in July's BoxyCharm Premium, you know what to do, boo. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you got the premium this month. What's up, my love bugs? Welcome back. I am so happy you guys clicked in to watch your girl today. If you have not done so already, you need to subscribe to the bomb ass subscriber squad. I don't know what you're waiting for, but hit that button and then hit like on this video, and then we can go from there. Yes. Okay. So guys, today, as I said, we have the premium box. Now it is kind of heavy, and I did look for the weight, but both of my boxes had the same weight, and I don't think that that was correct because they arrived the same day, which is very unusual for BoxyCharm. Before we go any further, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for waking up early and rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you guys. For today's drink, we have a little bit of white wine, and y'all already know we're gonna take a dance break and a drink break. I need a drink for this unboxing. If y'all hear thunder, guys, it's raining again today. I know. This is the premium box. This one is $35 per month plus taxes. You get 6 to 7 full-size beauty items in your box. You get to choose one product each month. This box is supposed to have an average of at least $175 or more. And if you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm, there is a link down below in my description. Without further ado, let's get this box on and popping, boo. I'm gonna take another drink before I open this. Okay, let's grab our box cutter. Got it. Let's go. Okay, when we open it up, it has a nice blue inside, and it says BoxyCharm Premium with a nice little blue foam. We do get a card, and the theme for the month is sunshine, guys. And I do have variation number 61, which y'all know how I feel about all of these mini variations that BoxyCharm has. It's like a mystery box now. So first product that I am seeing is this. Oh, I wish they just named their companies easy names for me to say. Is it Cuticle? Cuticle? I don't know. It's this brand right here, guys. I'll put the name down below. But this is a cuticle revitalizing oil, milk and honey. Ooh, okay. So I did see this as one of their spoilers. That's what the package looks like, guys. And oddly enough, I have not been going to the nail salon because of the whole corona thing. So I've been doing my own nails, and my cuticles have been looking pretty raggedy. So I am excited to get this product and try it out. I know that's strange for me, huh? Oh, it doesn't smell bad though, guys. And it's in this little dropper. I swayed a little bit. Let's see. Okay, it does feel nice when I rub it out on my hand right there. Okay. And it smells like, I can smell something sweet. It's not a honey scent, but it's sweet. So this is the Cuticle Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, a unique natural hydrating complex of rich, lightweight oils with extra antioxidant benefits from vitamin E that absorb completely to nourish the cuticles and skin. Milk soothes and softens the skin, while honey is a natural humectant to keep the skin moisturized. Okay, and this, guys, retails for $18. Now I would buy an $18 cuticle oil, so I'm not really angry about this, guys. Let's see how the rest of the box goes first. Next up, Now, I thought that this was a base box variation product, but it's the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. This is what the package looks like, guys, right here. And they have a little sticker on the bottom. You get 75 milliliters of product, but somebody put a little sticker down here. Let's take that off and see. They put a little sticker down here, guys, that looked kind of weird. So I need to know what that says. Under here, it has 50 milliliters of product. I don't know if y'all could see it. It says 50. So why would you put a sticker that says 75 milliliters of product when underneath it says 50 and on here it says 75? Maybe they just used an old box from this company. I don't know, but it's a little strange, guys. That's a little strange. Tell me why y'all think that is. But anywho, this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. And I thought that this was a base box variation, guys, but it's in my premium box. And guess what? I'm very excited to receive it. I'm just confused about the whole 50-75 thing. Let me know in the comments below what you think that's about. But I am very excited to use this and receive a setting spray. Let's see how that mister works. Ooh, okay, it's a nice mister. It doesn't have a strong coconut smell, but it is very pretty. It comes with a pump. Okay, so this is cool, guys. Let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. And this retails for $22. Next up, guys, I am seeing from Fully Fire. Is that what that says? This is the box right here. Vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and fragrance-free. And oh, Folly Fire. I thought it said Fully Fire, but it's Folly Fire. And it says Expensive Habits, Full House, Here to Slay, and Sunset Boulevard. Oh, it's a lipstick. Okay, Fierce Makeup Without BS. That's the back of it right there, guys. And let's open it up and see. This is what it looks like when I take the top off. 3 lipsticks. Okay. All right. I like the little container that it came in. That's very cute. So the first one I'm going to open is Full House right there. I haven't heard of this brand before. If you did, please let me know. Ooh, look at that, guys. That is so pretty. Look at the packaging. It's like a slant and there's little fire symbol right there. This one is Full House. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, that is TonyaNicole. Oh, girl, let's put a little bit of this on. Yes, ma'am. And it feels like it's a satin finish. This one is Full House right there. Then we're gonna open Sunset Boulevard. And this, oh, okay, so this one is more of like a mauve color. Really, really, really pretty. They're very silky and creamy like. Ooh, okay. I would definitely have to wear that one with a liner. It's more of like a pinky color. Okay. And then the last one we have is Here to Slay, which is probably going to be my favorite because I love to slay. Here to Slay. Oh, that's a good hooker red. What y'all think? Girl, that's a good hooker red. That is. Oh, yes. I love the hooker red. So those are the 3 shades right there on my hand. They are very creamy. They went on very smooth. I like each of these colors. This one is my least favorite, but y'all know I don't really like pink shades. But if I put a brown liner on with it, I could just kind of accent it. And ooh, okay. So, all right. This is what you call premium box, okay? This is, okay, BoxyCharm. So these 3 are the Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. And these, oh, these retail for $39.99. All right. I do like these, guys. Okay. And I probably would pay $39 for 3. Okay. Okay, let's see what else we got. Y'all, okay, I'm kind of low-key, like, excited. Like, I think this month may be one of BoxyCharm's best months of the year for premium. I'm telling you. Okay, I saw 3 variation products for the skincare portion, and it was from Saturday Skin, Lord, some kind of body lotion in this primer, and I did not want that lotion at all. And I got the primer. The Biro New York Bitter Green Essence Toner. Holy moly, girl, this is what I wanted. Okay, this is 5.7 fluid ounces of product. I don't know about this company, guys. This is my first time hearing about it, but I saw that bottle and I was like drawn to it. Look at this. Oh, girl, yes, I wanted this toner. Okay, BoxyCharm, y'all. Okay, BoxyCharm, all right. I can't believe that I'm excited over y'all premium box. Is it gonna snow today? Girl, this is the Bitter Green Essence Toner. Look at that, guys. I hope y'all could get into how beautiful this bottle is. It comes with like this little cap that you pull up, which, oh, you pull it off. I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to start the time and then I don't use it right away. So this is, guys, the Biro Bitter Essence Toner. It says this essence toner is packed with 33 different green vegetable extracts, including artichoke, broccoli, and basil, that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to smooth unwanted texture. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. It retails for $95 and I will use every single drop unless it causes me to have a breakout. Okay, next up is my choice item and it is a pellet. And this is from, I don't want to butcher the name, Kenya Antavoris. That's probably wrong. Beauty, and this is a set and define kit. I did choose this one because it's like a bronzing palette, I think. So let's open it up. I did not hear of this company before, but I wanted to try it out because, you know, oh, it's like a snake skin, y'all. It's beautiful, okay? And when we open it up, oh, there's no mirror. Oh, okay. But they do have a plastic over it, which I do like. And ooh, this is beautiful. So you have a mattifying powder here. You have a setting powder there, a highlighter, a contour, dark contour, and a bronzer. Ooh, I'll probably use that one to bronze. This is gorgeous. This will actually look good with a variety of skin tones. Let's watch this highlight though. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, it's gold. Okay, so in the pan, it actually looks pink, but it swatches out gold. Okay, I like this. And this right here, guys, retails for $42. We have one more product, and it is another pellet. Now, I think every premium member will get this month, and this is the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. It's an eyeshadow and highlighter palette right here. Gorgeous. This is what Manny looks like, in case you guys do not know. He is a YouTuber and I think a makeup artist. I don't really know too much about him. I don't watch him. But this is what the packaging looks like, this beautiful marbled packaging. And when we open it up, girl, we have a mirror. Hey, baby. So this is the palette right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Beautiful colors. Look at that. Y'all know we have to swatch a few. Oh, they have a shade called Scorpio. And this is what some of those colors look like on my fingers, guys. This is how they swatched out right there. Okay, look at that. Those are the highlighter shades right here. They're pretty, swatched, gorgeous. Okay, perfect, guys. Morphe's formula is hit or miss. So I'm hoping this palette is a hit because I'm very excited to receive this, guys. It's a beautiful palette. This one retails for $20, guys. Take a dance break and a drink break. Oh, my hair's sticking up, y'all. All right, loves, that was my final product in this month's Boxy Premium. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, we're gonna rate it, and we're gonna be done. So we received the Morphe and Manny MUA palette here. We received this bronzing palette here. I don't wanna butcher the name, y'all. From Biro, New York, this Essence Toner. From Ciate, London, the Everyday Vacay Primer. From Cuticle Natural, the Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. And from Folly Fire, these trio lipsticks here. So these 6 products we received this month. Final thoughts on this month's BoxyCharm Premium. Y'all, I cannot believe that I'm about to say this. I literally cannot believe it. But BoxyCharm hit it out the park this month for your girl. The premium box was amazing. My base box was good with the exception of the Pure Cosmetics palette, but everything in my premium box, I absolutely loved. I'm most excited for the toner and the palettes and the cuticle oil. I mean, everything. The setting spray, y'all, the 3 lipsticks. Oh my God, like BoxyCharm. I just can't believe I'm saying this. Like, girl, I am just shocked. Y'all, it was good this month. It was great this month. I'm speechless. That's all I got to say. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn whale's belly. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying? Girl, based on the products, I don't know the overall value, but I think it's going to be up there, guys. I will put it down below. I'm going to give BoxyCharm Premium for the month of July. Are y'all ready? A whopping 5. Can y'all believe that? Can y'all? Girl, something must be wrong. They must have sent me the wrong box. I don't know, but I'm telling you, I am so excited about this box. I am so happy. If you have not subscribed yet, you need to subscribe to our channel, be a part of our family, give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on social media. All of those links are down below. But what I want to talk about in the comments is these boxes. I want to know if you liked your box, if you like my box. Let's chit chat about it down below in the comments, y'all. Oh my God, I am like blown away. Let me take a drink for BoxyCharm. Good job and welcome back. Now, y'all better keep on this track, yeah. Don't get me all hyped up this month and then next month I'm on another rant. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will enjoy our comment time and seeing you guys on my next video. So until next time, please be blessed. Bye.